Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Etsy visual branding, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current visual branding on Etsy. Take a close look at your shop's logo, banner, and product images. Make a list of elements that need updating or improvement. Research current design trends relevant to your niche. Gather inspiration from other successful Etsy shops. Decide on a cohesive color palette that reflects your brand's personality. Select fonts that complement your brand style and are easy to read. Create or source high-quality images that showcase your products effectively. Design a new logo that captures the essence of your brand. Use design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark for easy customization. Revamp your shop banner to align with your new branding visuals. Update your product listings with refreshed images and descriptions. Ensure all your visuals have a consistent look and feel. Preview your shop to ensure everything aligns with your vision. Make adjustments as needed to perfect your branding. Once satisfied, launch your newly refreshed shop visuals. Lastly, promote your updated brand on social media to reach your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.